वो अपनी पवित्रता अपने पास ही रखे। लड़कियों को ज़्यादा जज करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, लड़के भी इतने ही बुरे हैं जितनी लड़कियां हो सकती हैं।
What's your take on premarital sex?
अपनी अपनी मर्जी पे डिपेंड करता है।
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, according to me, it's a personal choice and it depends upon person to person.
It depends on one's choice.
We're all doing it, so I don't think
Anyhow,
it's...
we're doing it.
I mean, it's a personal choice.
Choice.
Neutral to this topic.
It depends on person to person, right?
I think it's normal. It's something that everybody goes through.
I don't think it should really matter whether you're married or not. People don't find love until they're 50, so why not?
मुझे अभी तक नहीं मिला।
I don't know why I need to have a take on it because it's so normalized in my head. I think it completely depends upon your perception.
What's your choice in that?
So I think I would never like to have a premarital sex.
I think it's doable. Like if there's consent involved, then ठीक है.
नहीं करोगे तो रेप जैसी चीज़ें तभी होती हैं, क्योंकि इतना ज़्यादा टबू हो चुका है, सेक्स को ऐसा बना रखा है।
अगर दो इंडिविजुअल को करना है तो no one can stop.
अब आपके सामने हॉट चिक्स खड़ी हो,
Hot chicks.
यस चिक्स,
हाँ,
तो आप मना नहीं कर सकते ना।
It's okay for you, so you should go for it. Not thinking about the society and all.
If you are at the right age, if you are at the right mental set, then probably it is right.
अब तुम pre-marital sex, post-marital sex, it doesn't matter. Sex is sex.
Yeah, it's to each his own. I mean, we are nobody to stop them. And people do it, but they don't talk about it and don't ask any questions.
At a tender age where you are not well aware of your rights, the pros and cons of it, then I guess you should not go for it.
Depends on the guy.
I think if you are in love, then I think then it's fine.
Always up for it.
बड़ा बैठा हूँ जन्मों से। क्या premarital sex हमारी संस्कृति के खिलाफ है?
नहीं,
No, ऐसा कोई संस्कृति है नहीं.
No.
नहीं, हमारी क्या ही संस्कृति है यार इन चीज़ों में।
संस्कृति की डेफिनेशन क्या है?
फिर ऐसे लोग क्यों कहते हैं हमारी संस्कृति के खिलाफ है?
Can say जो माइंड सेट हैं सबके उस हिसाब से yes, it's against the संस्कृति.
ऐसी तो लड़कियों के नाम भी संस्कृति है, वो भी करती हैं।
I don't think दो इंडिविजुअल अगर कॉपरेट कर रहे हैं एंड दे आर ओके विद इट तो इसमें संस्कृति बीच में कहाँ आती है?
वो शायद वो लोग कहते हैं जिन्हें ऐसा लगता है, मैं ऐसा नहीं कह रही हूँ क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता।
Because as I said before, everybody goes through it. There is nothing new. I mean, yeah, everybody has. So it's okay.
I think कल्चर एक बहुत ही प्रोपेगेंडिस्ट थीम हो गया है लोगों के लिए।
If I know what I'm doing is right, then I might as well go for it. So yeah, if I indulge in premarital sex, I have the audacity to come back home and tell my mother about it. If I do so.
Basically, अगर संस्कृति की बात करेंगे तो उसके हिसाब से तो बहुत सी चीज़ें हैं जो हमें फिर करनी ही नहीं चाहिए कभी।
संस्कृति टाइम के साथ चेंज होनी चाहिए।
Progressive लड़की।
You have to make a choice of your own, okay? You can't speak on your own agendas and as well as संस्कृति, okay?
कि वो कल्चर को वेरी डिफरेंट वे में परसीव करके उसका फ़ायदा उठाते हैं टू प्रूव देयर पॉइंट।
मनवानी है बस।
So yeah.
जैसे मर्जी।
First of all, I don't understand what Sanskriti is in our culture because it's so hypocritical and full of double standards.
There are people जिनको ऐसा लगता है, but obviously मैं उनको गलत नहीं बोल सकती because वो अपने point of view से शायद सही होंगे।
ठीक है, प्री-मैरिटल सेक्स क्या कोई इंडियंस ने लिखी है और इंडियंस ही करते हैं सबसे ज़्यादा, तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है।
We have been taking the wrong idea of Sanskriti. We should get over it. I mean, these are things.
In future, suppose you become a parent and your children come up to you and say, "Hey mom, guess what? I had a premarital sex." How are you gonna react?
Normal, obviously, absolutely.
No problem.
No problem.
ठीक है, मतलब करो भाई, बहुत छोटे भी नहीं होने चाहिए।
First of all, I'm going to create a safe environment for them to be open to me.
Nothing. I'm gonna tell them good.
Shabash.
I hope you use a condom.
I'll like completely prepare them for it. Like from childhood, I'll keep talking to them about it.
Have an open conversation because that's important.
I'd be okay with it. Like मैं थोड़ा बोलूँगी कि like be safe and वो सब important है.
If you felt like you had to do it and you have done it, it's fine with me. I have no issues. It's your life. You have the take.
Being judged for it is the worst part.
They feel like guilty that they have done
Exactly. There's nothing to be guilty about.
मेरा first question यही होगा, did you use a condom or not?
Yeah, were you safe?
How about you?
Yeah, were you safe?
अगर वो adult है, they can do it.
Yeah.
But I'm not going to give any advice to my children. बट हाँ यही बोलूँगा कि माइनर हो जब तक तो अवॉइड करो. ऑब्वियसली नहीं कर सकते तो नहीं करेंगे, कर लेंगे. And be safe.
What do you want to tell to the society about this taboo of premarital sex?
Be open-minded, I guess. Doesn't matter. I think it's changing with time. Like हमारी generation जब बड़ी हो जाएगी, I don't think this taboo is going to be there for long.
Please don't do it. अपनी thinking अपने पास रखो और दूसरों की उनके पास रहने दो.
It is definitely not taboo, but you should know what you're doing. That's it.
इतना कोई सोचने की बात नहीं है. सेक्स करो, खुश रहो. जो अच्छा लग रहा है करना चाहिए.
वो अपनी पवित्रता अपने पास ही रखे. लड़कियों को ज़्यादा जज करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. लड़के भी इतने ही बुरे हैं जितनी लड़कियां हो सकती हैं.
Don't judge anybody because everybody does it. You do it. Everyone do it. So I think it's normal.
Just follow your heart. If you feel something is right, just do it.
It's a personal choice, and definitely if you like to take this forward, do it. It's not a taboo. Please broaden your mindset.